Looking for the best mirror dash cams to enhance your driving experience? In this video, we'll explore the top options on the market, featuring advanced technology like front, rear, and interior cameras for complete coverage. Whether you're concerned about safety, recording accidents, or simply want to upgrade your car's functionality, these mirror dash cams are designed to provide peace of mind on the road. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. EACE Car DVR Mirror Recorder. The EACE 10-inch Car DVR Mirror Video Recorder is a complete driving companion. With its dual-lens system, it captures every detail in sharp 2560 by 1440 resolution. The front camera offers a 170 degrees wide-angle view, while the waterproof rear camera provides excellent support in all weather conditions. This device features a 10-inch IPS touchscreen with a 16:9 ratio, making it easy to use. It also supports loop cycle recording, so you never run out of storage. With a G sensor, it locks important footage during sudden impacts for added safety. Thanks to the f2.0 aperture and night shot function, it excels in low-light conditions. Additional features like motion detection, real-time surveillance, and wide dynamic range enhance its reliability. Store recordings effortlessly with support for up to 128 GB external memory. The device uses AVI format with a Class 10 memory card for smooth recording. It even supports multiple languages, making it accessible for all. Number 4. Qiyou Mirror Camera for Car. The Qiyou 10-inch mirror camera is a complete upgrade for your car's safety and convenience. This dual-lens dash cam features full HD 1080p resolution for both front and rear cameras. Its 170 degrees wide-angle front view and 155 degrees rear view ensure comprehensive coverage of the road. The IPS touchscreen delivers a crisp and intuitive display with a 16:9 ratio. The 1:1 split-view display makes it easy to monitor front and rear feeds simultaneously. With loop cycle recording, it continuously captures every moment, while the G sensor secures important footage during impacts. This camera excels at night with its night shot function and wide dynamic range, ensuring clear recordings in low light. The streaming media rear-view mirror replaces traditional mirrors, offering real-time visuals with a broader view unaffected by bad weather. Easy to install, it supports up to 128 GB external memory and records in MOV format for efficient storage. The parking monitor and motion detection features add extra layers of safety, even when your car is parked. Number 3. Doh H350 Dash Cam. The Hgdo H350 Dash Cam is an innovative 3-in-1 device designed to enhance your driving experience. It features dual-lens Full HD 1080p recording, offering clear front and rear footage. Equipped with a 170-degree wide-angle view, it captures more of the road for added safety. This dash cam comes with a 12-inch touchscreen, making it intuitive and user-friendly. It also boasts night vision for superior performance in low-light conditions. The built-in GPS logger tracks your routes, while the G sensor ensures critical recordings are locked during sudden impacts. Its parking sensor adds extra convenience, providing a real-time rear-view display and precise monitoring. The loop recording feature ensures continuous footage, and it supports memory cards up to 128 GB. With its reliable performance and multifunctional features, the Hgdo H350 Dash Cam is a must-have for modern drivers. Drive smarter, safer, and more confidently with this versatile companion. Number 2. 70mm S500 Dash Cam. The 70mm S500 rear-view dash cam, a 9.35-inch IPS touchscreen, combining ease of use with high-end functionality. Equipped with a Sony IMX675 imaging sensor, it records crystal-clear 3K resolution videos at 30 frames per second. Whether day or night, its HDR and night shot features ensure every detail is captured perfectly. This dual-channel dash cam comes with front and rear cameras, offering a wide 138 degrees field of view for comprehensive coverage. It features a loop cycle recording system, so you'll never run out of storage. Plus, its supercapacitor and button battery enhance durability, especially in extreme temperatures ranging from -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. The S500 includes advanced features like voice control, real-time surveillance, and a G sensor for collision detection. It also supports anti-fog, waterproof design, and Bluetooth connectivity for convenience. Compatible with Class 10 memory cards up to 128 GB, this dashcam is designed for reliability. Number 1. Obdpeak 3 Mirror Dash Cam. The Obdpeak 3 Camera Dash Cam is a feature-packed car DVR designed to enhance your driving experience. With 4K front and 1080p rear and interior cameras, It provides clear, high-resolution footage of your surroundings. The dashcam supports GPS tracking, with an optional GPS version, and features a built-in 12-inch IPS touchscreen for easy navigation and real-time monitoring. This dashcam offers impressive night vision, ensuring optimal visibility even in low-light conditions. It supports loop cycle recording, G-sensor activation, and audio recording, capturing every important detail. The wide 170 degrees view angle helps cover a larger area, and the automatic white balance and wide dynamic range enhance image clarity. With support for up to 128 GB of external memory, this dashcam is equipped for extended usage. Plus, its waterproof and anti-fog design ensures durability in all conditions. If you're looking for a comprehensive dashcam solution, the Obdpeak H330 is a great choice.